In the early days of Bitcoin, Mt. Gox was the largest cryptocurrency exchange, handling over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions globally. Founded in 2010 by Jed McCaleb, Mt. Gox started as an exchange for trading Magic the Gathering cards and transitioned to Bitcoin. In 2013, Mt. Gox processed 150,000 Bitcoin transactions daily at its peak, with Bitcoin valued at $1,200 each. Internally, Mt. Gox suffered from poor coding practices, lack of financial audits, and management struggles. In 2011, hackers stole 80,000 BTC, but instead of fixing security flaws, Mt. Gox focused on its public image. Between 2011 and 2014, hackers infiltrated the system and stole 850,000 BTC, $450 million at the time. The attack exploited a bug called transaction malleability, allowing hackers to withdraw bitcoins unnoticed. By February 2014, Mt. Gox halted withdrawals, claiming technical issues as the company fell apart. On February 28, 2014, Mt. Gox filed for bankruptcy, revealing the loss of 850,000 bitcoins, shocking the crypto world. Following the collapse, Bitcoin's price dropped nearly 36% and trust in exchanges severely eroded. Thousands lost their life savings, leading to worldwide lawsuits against Karpeles and Mt. Gox. Karpeles faced charges for embezzlement and data manipulation, found guilty of falsifying records in 2019. In 2021, Mt. Gox creditors received partial reimbursements, recovering about 200,000 BTC from cold wallets. The Mt. Gox heist highlighted the need for enhanced security, transparency, and decentralization in crypto. The Mt. Gox theft led to stronger security protocols like multi-signature wallets and real-time monitoring. The Mt. Gox saga serves as a cautionary tale for investors and developers, urging vigilance in a dynamic crypto world.